Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Thank you for tuning in. Queens and King in the house, welcome back to my channel. Today all I have on my table, but before we do the unboxing, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by Bianca Beletta Girls TV. Okay, welcome to my channel again. Sorry for the music behind because baby is there, and I just want her to leave me so that I can easily record this video as soon as possible. Thank you for tuning in again. May God bless you. My returning subscribers, I appreciate all my membership channel. You guys rock. You guys are amazing. I can't love you all less. Thank you for joining my membership. May God in heaven bless you. Last time that I did, many people left. I was like, maybe because they were too much, like mentioning those names, they were like, oh, she have a man. Many people, let me just go. But that just discouraged me. But the people that I have, I will still appreciate that. That is why whenever they come in, I do appreciate them, give them shout out like never before. Thank you for coming in again. I really do appreciate every one of you. You guys know that I love and I heart you guys. What I have on my table today, guys, is just first of all, I will be unboxing this. Is it Puffy? I don't even know. So I love it so much. So guys, yeah, I love it so much. You can order it. I ordered it on AliExpress, and I love it so much. It's just a pants slippers. Yeah, look at the color. This very color here is so beautiful, almost like the top I'm wearing, but this color is different. Okay, I have this like this dress in many colors, and my daughter also, we have it in many colors. So this green is beautiful. This is just a rainbow color. This yellow is a beige. This orange is just everything. And this blue over here, this blue is gorgeous. What do you think, guys? Like, the red is gorgeous. The pink, baby, oh my god, I need to do it as soon as possible, the unboxing. Okay, so I love this slippers over here. It's very good. Like during the summer, I can easily use it to do to wear short knicker, wear gown, wear anything wearable. But I do use like these things here inside my house. So that is just it. And yeah, let me take a selfie. Don't they? Baby, just the shots. So this is one of the things. And the next thing that we have is this one. I will be unboxing it on top of my baby thing here. I'll bring it here. So this is it. This is the package over here. It's a big package from Amazon, guys. Okay, so this is the package. Let me join it a little bit closer. It's a surprise. Surprise. She's laughing, guys. She's laughing. Okay, guys, so this is it. Nobody to snap picture is not easy. So that is just it. So we are going direct, okay? We are going direct to the unboxing. This is just something we all needed. We need it in case you want to eat healthy. You want to, you know, I don't have anything that we use to cut it. Let me use my comb to just raise it up a little bit here. And there. Okay, I don't have scissors. It's time for me to take my scissors. I will use it because once baby is crying, I don't have any choice than to do my things so quick. Okay, oh my God, I remove my shoe and oh my God, guys, look at what I have inside. This is beautiful. Oh my God, 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 guys. The thing that I have here is just so beautiful. Okay, so that is just it, so guys. And here is the hair fryer. Something is falling over there. Oh guys, this is the hair fryer, guys. This is the hair fryer. I have made selfie. Let me photo.
Yes, guys, I knew this very place because baby Serena was just crying, and I don't want shouting voice to be on the video. Keep watching. Don't forget to share to Raccoon, okay?
This is it. This is hair fryer, and I ordered it on Amazon. I ordered it the day before yesterday, and I received it today. Yeah, that's been long. Like I wanted to just have the just like I'm like, but at the same time, whenever you want to cook stew, that Then I will just remember I need air fryer and I need air fryer. You know, these jars I have many things, like they want to bake cake, they want to mix things, many things. You know, so that is just it. So this very one is also needed. Eating healthy without enough oil. Eating so yummy. So that is just it. Okay, so thank you guys for always supporting me. Sorry guys that I'm trying to pull this things out the hand. It's not easy. Oh my god. So I love baby. So I just need to be careful so that the thing will just fall down. Okay, so this is the instruction over here. And I think this is the guarantee also. Yeah, instruction over here. Hair cooker, oil free fryer. So this very thing is a healthy thing and easy and good life. Yeah, shout out to Cops Den. You are so supportive, but I will be also giving shout out to you on this video. I know some people is like, well, no, I just want to give a shout out because I know that you are into air fryer healthy of a thing. So I'm using this opportunity to give a shout out to Cops Den. Okay, thank you, mommy. You know I always love you. Mwah. And also the king, Jens. Blue Jeans Network. I guess you love blue jeans, huh? What do you think? Let me know if you love blue jeans. Sorry, baby. So, woo, here is our air fryer. Is hard. So, mommy Cops Den. In case you come across this video, say congratulations to me because, yeah, I was just like, anytime you're always pushing concerning it, I'm like, I'm gonna get one for myself because my fantastic mommy, she loves using air fryer and she's always preaching, and people do preach about it that it's a healthy thing. I was just like, let me get one for myself. And this very one is just 80 euro, guys. Okay, it's just 89 euro, meaning that is 90 euro. With the guarantee it was 90 something euro. Okay, so this is everything. I need to read it and know. Okay, so yeah, you need to remove the sellotape, and then I'm going to be testing it, trying it, but not today guys, because I don't think I have things to use for, like frying of meat. I have some meat, but I'm not in the mood today because the day is not on my side any longer. And not only that alone, and yeah, I will just wait for the weekend for me to use it. Okay, so that is just it. And yeah, it's big. I thought it's just a little thing. So here can contain, yeah, you can remove this one. Okay, this very one you can remove it, and then I will put my chicken inside. This is just a 90 euro, 90 something euro or 90 euro will do you just good. You eat healthy, you don't need oil, fry, and it's so difficult when it comes to fry. Last time that I was frying, the oil was just jumping on me, and baby, that is so dangerous. So I will advise, in case you want to get one, just go on what they call it, on Amazon, and get one on yourself. Amazon, you guys should be sponsoring many YouTubers. Okay, this is a Musil air fryer. It's 9 euro, so I spent 89 euro. So the name is Musil air fryer. Okay, 24 months warranty. I have a warranty of 24 months, meaning that is 2 years. Okay, mozillite.com. Go to the extra benefits and capions. I'll get capions and free gifts for companies, and please contact for any question, please contact us. Okay, I thought that for company to, you guys should come and sponsor this video. I beg you, I need a sponsor to be sponsoring my video. Like Bianca, come and do advert for my makeup, come and do advert for my products, come and do advert for my cream. I will do it for you so well, so wonderful. Very soon my cream review will be coming soon. In case it comes before posting this video, that cream review, you need to go and get the cream. You need to get that organic cream for yourself. She's so so let me not just go far. Okay, let me not just go fast. So this is the hair fryer, guys, and family on photo die, and I'm so happy, and I can't wait to test it. But at the same time, yeah, gently, Bianca. Okay. Hey. Okay, so guys, I love it. And on top here, you don't need to, just for you to program everything that is inside. Whenever I try it, if I'm able to try something with it, I will surely make the video complete. Mama, good girl. If not, I will just post it this way, believe me guys. Okay, so that is just it. Model, I spent 89 plus, then I mean that just 90 something euro. Okay, it's okay, it's fine for something that you don't need to be buying oil, you don't need to be, you know, frying too much of oil, too much of frying things. Called it costs what they call cholesterol and kidney stone. Yeah, that will cost you kidney stone. Kidney stone is so painful. In case you haven't suffered from it, you will not understand. It's so terrible. Kidney stone is so terrible. Yeah. So that is just it. I appreciate everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Don't mind the baby that just switched. Where's your business inside this video? Oh, now she wants to catch my slippers. She wants to catch these slippers. I won't give it to you. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I appreciate every one of you. This is the hair fryer and the journey of eating healthy, frying healthy, hair fryer, and no stress, no frying oil, no frying, and I will be jumping. Please, Jesus, you know. So that is just it. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much, guys. I really do appreciate. I'm looking to something that my daughter showed me. Okay, bye everybody. We love and I will appreciate every one of you. Bye guys. Sorry for the noises, my baby girl. Love you all. Bye. Mwah. Mwah.